Welcome back, guys. So today is a special video. It's a proud moment for the channel. It's huge. As you guys may already know, I've already seen on the thumbnail, Pit Boss reached out. Yes, I was shocked. It happened this early in my YouTube career. And they sent us this new and improved Sportsman Edition, the 1600, the big boy. Now here's a little video of it. So now that you guys have seen it, this grill it's a big grill. It's like I said, it's the 1600. The Pro series that I have is 1150. Pretty much the cooking space. This one has 3 shelves. The Pro series only had 2, but this one is 3. This is their new Sportsman. This one has Bluetooth, and then there's some other things that they added. I really liked one of the things that I saw. But we'll be doing a video of an in-depth look of what this grill has to offer and all the stuff that it has. It's a very nice grill. I'm really excited to go ahead and start using it. Trying to think, I've been thinking about what could be my first cook. We could do brisket, we could do pork belly, burnt ends. I mean, I got a whole list of things that I got to do. Why don't you guys put in the comments what do you guys want to see the first cook on this bad boy, so I can decide what we're gonna do. But make sure you guys subscribe, because like I said, we're gonna start busting out videos. So the next video will be coming out this week also. It's gonna be an in-depth look at what this grill has. So compared to what the other old model, and I know the older model of the Sportsmans don't have Bluetooth, and that's one of the things they added. So yeah, there's some cool features that this has. I've been reading the manual, and so I'm excited to start showing you all the stuff that it comes with. So that being said, make sure you guys subscribe to keep posted with all the videos that are going to be coming out. I will see you guys next time.